Hi everyone, welcome back to Nirja Education. Before going to the video, please subscribe our channel Nirja Education and don't forget to press the bell icon. Today we are going to discuss the chapter whole numbers. In that one, patterns in whole numbers we are going to discuss. Before the discussion, first we will see what is a pattern. Patterns are the arrangement of things or numbers following some rule. I will repeat it. Patterns are the arrangement of numbers or things by following some rules. So the whole numbers can be represented by line segments, squares or rectangle, triangle, like that. So here we have taken some of the examples how these numbers can be using things, how these numbers can be represented in a line segment like a perfect square, like that we will discuss now. The first one is line segment. That means the things we are arranging in a line segment. Here circle I have taken to represent the object, circle I took here. So this you can see, this is like a line segment. So one we can't represent in the line segment, we are starting it from 2. So 2 can be represented in the line segment. 3 also, this is also one line segment, and 4. Like this way the numbers can be represented in a line segment. So this we can see, this is a pattern in which we can represent the whole numbers. The second one is that perfect square. In this square form we can represent the whole numbers, that is here I have taken, this is the square form. So 4 we can represent in the square form, so this is the representation of 4. Next I have taken 9, this 3 we can represent it in a square form, 2 also we can represent in a square form. So we are starting from 4, 5, 6, all that we can represent. Now we are going to the next number 9. This is also in the square form. Some of the numbers can be represented in the line segment form and some can be represented in the square form. Some numbers can be represented in the rectangle form and triangular form also, that we will see next how these numbers can be represented in the rectangle form. So we have discussed how you can represent the numbers using the line segment and square. Now we are going to discuss how these numbers can be represented in the form of rectangle and triangle. So I have taken 6 here. 6 can be represented in the form of rectangle. You can see that 3 here and 3 here. So this is in the form of a rectangle. Here also 2 ways you can represent, like this way and this way. So these 2 are in the form of a rectangle. 8 also you can represent in the form of a rectangle. See here, this also can be represented by 2 ways, like this way and this way. 2 are in the form of a rectangle. Like this way you can represent the whole numbers in the rectangle form. Now we are going to discuss how can we represent the whole numbers in the form of triangle. See here, one I told you that it is not possible to represent in the line segment form, rectangle form and square form. But this can be represented in the form of a triangular form. So triangular form one can be represented. The next is 3. You can see here. This is in the form of a triangle, so this is represented in the triangular form. And see here 6 in rectangle form also we can represent, and in the triangular form also we can represent the 6. Now when you are adding the consecutive numbers, you will get the triangular form numbers, that we will see how we will get the triangular form. I told you that when you are adding the consecutive numbers you will get the triangular numbers. We will see that one. The first number 1, that is equal to 1. And again the next number 1 plus 2, 0 not we are considering here, because when you are adding 0 to any number you are getting the same number only. So that we are not considering here, we are starting from 1. 1 is equal to 1. Then here 1 plus 2. What will you get? 3. Already we have discussed that 3 is a triangular number. Next 1 plus 2 plus next number is 3. So 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6. Again 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10. Like this way you can find the triangular numbers. When you are adding the consecutive numbers, you will get the triangular numbers. Now we will see some other patterns like multiplication and everything. How you are getting the patterns, that we will see next. When we are observing some numbers, you can see that some numbers are repeating. Some numbers are repeating in some patterns. By observing that patterns, we will come to know which number will come next. Like this way, we can observe the patterns in a number. I have written one example here. From this example, you come to know how you can observe the patterns. Here I have written 1 multiplied by 1, you know that is 1. Again here also I added 1 and here also 1 I added here. That means I kept 1 here, not added. That means 1 plus 1 I didn't do here, I just kept 1 here. That means 11 multiplied by 11, that is equal to 121. Again 3 ones are here. 111 multiplied by 111, that is equal to 1, 2, 3, again 2, 1. Can you see some patterns here? Can you see some similar way how the patterns are, how the numbers are adding here? Yes, here 1, then 1, 2, next number. Again that 1 come here. Here see 1, 2, the next number 3, again this 2 and here 1. Now we will see, I am writing here 3 ones are there, instead of that I am going to take 4, 1, 1, 1, 1. That means 1111. Here also 1111. Then what will you get here? We will see first 1, 2, 3. Next number we have to write. Which is the next number? Yes, that is 4. Again the numbers on the left side you have to write on the right side. That means 3, 2, 1. Like this way, if I am taking here 5 ones, you know that. What will come here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5 will come here and again 4, 3, 2, 1. I will write it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones are here. And what will come here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5 will come here. Again the numbers on the left side you have to write. That is 4, 3, 2, 1. Like this way we can observe some patterns. If some of the patterns are given, the next number you can assume. This is the help of these patterns. I hope all of you have understood about this. Thank you all and have a nice day.